We're all in this together. High School Musical. Ugh. Hello, you stinkers. Welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to be back with you again. So as you can probably guess from the title, this is going to be a 4-strand braid, you guys. Yes, a 4-strand braid. I almost put up 3 fingers. Nope, so 3 plus 1, so 4-strand braid. And I want to preface in this video by saying that I am never claiming to have everything figured out. It's almost the opposite. I am still learning along with you guys and gals as well. Case in point, this braid. I always put this braid off, even in hair. Fly is ruining my life right now. I've always been putting this braid off because I'm like, I tried it once and it just gave me the biggest headache. And then about 2 weeks ago, I did my research and I looked up videos and I had the biggest headache in the world trying to figure out this braid. And then I practiced on yarn and then I was like, this is almost too easy not to do. Like I will never forget how to do this braid now, and I wanted to show everyone how to do this. So it's cool because as opposed to a 3-strand braid, which is just a very flat braid, this braid is 4-dimensional. So it's so cool. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're gonna start from the bottom as opposed to starting from the top. You always you know me, my wet brush, I love it. So I feel like I sound like that one lady in those that crafting sponge video. She's like, oh my God, yes. I feel like that about when you learn something new, you just get so excited. So, okay, and for the sake of this video, because I want everyone to see what I'm doing very clearly, I'm going to be tying this off up here. And so I just hope you can see everything, because this braid it's gonna be fine. Once you pick it up, you're like, wow, how did I not do this before? So, and I actually asked a coworker if I could borrow her horse for this video. Yes, so I could practice on the tail, and she was like, no. So I just thought, okay, I'll take matters into my own hands and I'll just try doing this on myself. So, and I also want to say, I have videos coming out for people with short hair too, because I never want to exclude anybody in these videos. So I really want to do something for everybody. So, all right. But this is such a fun braid. I am really excited to show you guys this. Okay, so I have 4 strands, 4 sections. I see Dancer just creeping out in the background. Love it. Okay, so I'm going to be repeating myself a lot in this video. So I'm even gonna be annoyed with myself towards the end. I'm gonna be like, I don't even wanna listen to myself ever again. So, okay, so there are 4 sections right here. And a lot of videos I saw, people were like, put 1 over 2 and then 3 over 4 and then 3 starts over here. I'm not gonna do that to you guys because I thought that was so much more confusing than it had to be. So 4 sections. So the first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna start on this side. So this one is going to go over and then under. Okay? Stop. Okay, so I went over and under. Okay? So, and then now I'm gonna work on this side. So this one is gonna do the complete opposite as over and under. So I'm gonna go under this one, and then over this one. Stop. Okay, so and then we're back to the beginning. So now we're gonna do the exact same thing as we started with. So this one is gonna go over and under. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so fun. Stop. Okay, so I'm gonna do the total opposite as that, just one more time. So under and over. Stop. Okay, so now we're doing the exact same thing. Over and under. Stop. Same thing, totally opposite. We're doing under and then over. And if you hear screaming in the background, it's probably the neighbor kids. Okay, so we're gonna keep doing the same thing. So just over and under. So whichever side you start out on and you do over and under, on the opposite side, you're gonna do the total opposite. So this one we're gonna do under and then over. Stop. All right, and then I think we can get a few more in here. So like over and then under, stop. So the one on the outside is only gonna move over 2 times. It's not going, this one is not ending up way on the end. It's only moving over 2 times. So this one is gonna go under. I have to look at it here on the bottom. And then over. So, and then I think I'm just gonna stop there. And I'm going to, I love these little elastics so much better than my tacky little phone cord thing. So I'm just gonna do this. Oh, it's so cool. So it's 3-dimensional. So it's gonna look almost something like this. So it is going to be 3-dimensional. And something that I used to do all the time is, and here's kind of a tip. If you want to practice, at the end of it, you can cut this off if you want, or you can take this off. So just so it doesn't look like you're going into the Hunger Games. Yep, and it snapped off. So it looks so much better with it, without it on it. So, and guess what? With this braid, I volunteer as tribute. All right. Yay! Thank you so much. Just keep rewinding and watching this video if you have any more questions of how to do it. So just remember, there's 4 strands. It goes over and under, and then you're gonna start on the other side and you're gonna go under and over. So over and under, and then under and over. So, all right, thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great Monday and a great rest of your week, and I will hopefully see you guys soon.